What's poppin'? It's your boy Cassius Couve. I'm about to show you the easiest way to buy meme coins on the Solana blockchain right from inside your Phemex Spot wallet. Phemex just released a brand new product called MemeX, where you can buy meme coins on Solana from inside your Phemex Spot wallet. This is much easier than going on a DEX because you don't have to transfer funds back and forth to an external wallet. If you've already been trading on Phemex, this is super easy. If you do not have a Phemex account yet, make sure you sign up using the referral link below and get special bonuses. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use MemeX, which is the new feature inside of Phemex, so you can trade directly from your Spot wallet. Right here you can see I already put $2,000 into my Spot wallet on Phemex because I've been leverage trading. So I put some money over there into the Spot wallet, and now I'm ready to buy the newest, latest coin, Trump, which just dropped today. And as you can see, if you were able to get in early, you could have bought it on MemeX before it hit the centralized exchanges. So you would have gotten ahead of everybody who was waiting to trade it on centralized exchange without having to transfer to an external Solana wallet. What you're going to do is make sure you click on MemeX. It's going to take you to this page. You can see all of the coins that are available for trade. This way, you could just literally transfer some funds over in a second to your Phemex Spot wallet and then get access to the decentralized exchange portion of this platform called MemeX, which is a new product, and buy the Trump token before everyone else who was waiting for it. So here we are. Now that we pulled it up, you can see the chart. All you got to do is put in the amount you want to buy. Here you can adjust the slippage. If your transaction doesn't go through right away, you could make it a little bit bigger. It's defaulted on auto, and that'll give you a better chance of the trade executing right away. So let's just say I'm going to buy $10 worth for a really popular coin like Trump, which is of course more popular than normal. I took it off auto and adjusted the slippage to 10%. I'm going to buy $10 here. Let's hit buy. And my trade has been placed. I'm going to refresh the page, and that's it. Now I've bought the Trump coin in my wallet. You can see it right here. The funds that are available in my wallet is still about $2,000. For the new coins, sometimes that's just what you have to do is adjust the slippage to get access to purchase them before everyone else. It's not very much considering how much it's gone up. So now we sell it, refresh the page. And there, now I've made the transaction. You can see more funds back in my Spot wallet. It's really simple. That's all you have to do. You can buy lots of meme coins on MemeX. There's a whole lot of them. You can see these are all on Solana. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I give you the best edge on how to trade crypto, both on leverage and out of your Spot wallet inside of Phemex, as well as on other platforms as well. I'm going to be doing a lot of technical analysis, showing you how to trade in both directions so you can take advantage once a coin spikes or when it starts to drop. To sign up for Phemex, please use the link in my description and you'll get special bonus when you sign up using that referral link.